Hi, Chris O'Connor with Persistent Systems. As the CEO of Persistent Systems, I get the honor of working with a lot of different organizations around the world. And in these times that we're in today of COVID and the environment, of all the work that we are doing as a society to take care of ourselves, we think that it's very important at Persistent that we give. Thus, myself, I'm remote in my shelter, in my cabin in the remote part of North Carolina, and I'm talking to Michael Maidmont, who's the CEO of the Ottawa Food Bank in Canada. And we today wanted to be able to present a check for $25,000 to Michael and his association to be able to help everybody that he comes in touch with around COVID-19 and all the great work that the Ottawa Food Bank does throughout all of its communities and throughout all the different types of people that it touches. So Michael, congratulations, and this is from Persistent to you and your organization. And more importantly, the employees that we Persistent have in Canada felt that it was very strong that your organization be recognized with this donation. And so it's our privilege today to share this with you and just to say thank you for all the great work that you guys do out in the community and all the relief that you provide to so many. I think that you touch 40,000 people a month. We think that's tremendous, and we think in these challenging times, the opportunity to give is something that all of us could do more of, and we Persistent wanted to be able to do that today.
Well, I'm honored, Chris, to meet you and to receive this gift, and thanks to the employees who chose our organization. You mentioned we help 40,000 people every single month, and we've seen that number grow during COVID-19. And we're going to see that need continue to grow, but we're an organization that responds because it supports us. So your contribution, your gift to us is so incredibly important in allowing our organization to be ready to be able to help those 40,000 people who turn to us every month.
I think you guys are fascinating, and as I've learned more about the organization, you guys have your own farm, if I understand right. You even grow your own food. Can you just give us a minute about that and what it means to you?
Yeah, it's become a really important program because we focus more and more on the health of the people we serve, not just giving them a meal, but really looking out for their health. We actually have a registered dietitian on staff to inform the decisions we make around the food that we purchase. And we use farmland that's been donated to us by a local farmer. We've been doing that for about 8 years. We've got 6 acres that we're growing on. And last year we grew over 136,000 pounds of food, all local, all organic, and we had 1,000 volunteers come out and help us grow that food. So a really great, a really important program for us here in Ottawa.
I think that's great. How do we get involved further with you? If I were local to you, how do people reach out to you and get involved further with your organization?
Yeah, just call us or visit us at ottawafoodbank.ca. We rely on 3,000 volunteers, many of them corporate volunteers, groups who do team building, off-site meetings, during the summertime especially, coming to help us in our farm, whether it's weeding or harvesting or planting. So just visit ottawafoodbank.ca and you can see all the opportunities to help us out in the community.
And your donations go to families and individuals of all types, and particularly children often come into focus here. For us at Persistent, we believe in all the strength of family. Can you tell us a little bit about how you work with families and children?
Yeah, we do a lot of work with children, especially during the summertime, because schools have school breakfast programs, for example, during the school year, but that doesn't happen in the summer. And during COVID-19, this has especially been a focus. So, one of the things that we focus on is providing food to kids. We actually have a national program in Canada through Food Banks Canada. They've named that program after the bell. They give us these special packs of food that we provide to kids so that they can make sure that they've got a nutritious meal. And we support some local recreation programs. Now, many of those programs are not happening during COVID-19, but kids that live in social housing across the city, they have access to free recreation programs, and we partner with them. We provide the food and we teach them about food and nutrition. They help put the lunches together, and we take care of those kids during the summer. So So like Persistent, families are really important to us as well.
Michael, I want to thank you and your organization for all the work and the service that you do, and for our small part, we want to make sure that we can help fuel you further, and we encourage the community and everybody watching this video to figure out how to touch you and help as well. Our hearts go out to you and the families that you touch in particular, and we know that this is a challenging time as we all work our way through strange new waters, and I just wanted to say thank you. From the bottom of my heart and from the bottom of Persistence, and we know you'll take our donation and put it to great use. And so, best of wishes from all of us at Persistence.
Thank you so much, and thanks to all of your colleagues who provided this incredible and important support.